Not gonna lie, I thought that was a cop. I was gonna send it, but I didn't know. Can do one here though. Oh my God. Hear that, bro? You literally can't beat that sound, bro. Can't beat the sound of B58. I don't care what anybody tells me, bro. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Smiz. We back again with another video for you guys, man. And I just want to say I really appreciate all you guys' support in 2025, man. I want to say Happy New Year to you guys. We're in 2026 now. 2025 was crazy, but 2026 is going to be even better. Trust and believe it, bro. We got a lot of special plans for the B58 and for the 440 this year that I want you guys to be a part of. But I just want to say thank you for all the support that you guys showed me in 2025, man. You guys haven't really missed too much with the car, bro. I still haven't done XHP yet. Don't get on me. I'm just figuring out a plan for what I can do. I ended up building a whole PC because the RAM prices were going crazy if you guys know anything about PCs. So I ended up spending all my money on building a brand new PC for content and for gaming and whatever. So XHP is on hold for now, but we're going to get it. Trust and believe. But we actually were able to get the Red Tiger F17 dash cam here. That Red Tiger actually sent out to me, so that's a huge shout out to them for sending that out. We're gonna be pumping out crazy content with that too. You guys know I still got the radar, and besides that, everything's still the same, bro. It's a new year, but it's the same B58, just like the title says, bro. So that's what we're rocking with. But I just want to give you guys a little POV drive, not do too much talking, man. You guys already know the drill, so let's get into it. You guys already know, man, this B58 setup is the best sounding, bro. I stand by it. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming up, man. I've just been really like trying to think and plan all the video ideas that I can do besides, you know, just the regular POV drives. But it's gonna be a good year, bro. Just trust and believe. A lot of the videos too, you guys have been mentioning how loud the paddles are. They're really like not that loud. I guess just because of the microphone that I'm using and it's like on my body, it picks up the sound way more. But in real life, they're really not that loud. But I always like the clicky sound. So let me know what you guys think. You think they're too loud? Should I switch them out? Let me know. I also took the lip off if you guys haven't seen the shorts that I posted, so I don't have the lip on the car anymore. And honestly, it's been really nice to just be able to not have to worry about scraping everywhere I go, because we're about to go through some speed bumps over here. But I will say that the car looks completely different without it, man, and I'm not a huge fan of it. So I'm still deciding what lip I want to go for. Do I want to do the JP style lip again, or do I want to do a different lip? So I'm still deciding on that for the spring. But we will be putting a new lip on the car, either the same one that I had before or something new. It's not turbo, man. Literally never gets old. had to take advantage of this weather too, bro. It's been so cold and like snowing every week. It's actually like 50 degrees right now, which is crazy. So I was like, I gotta film, bro. It's a nice Corvette. Woo, 7.2. Now I have to give him a little pop. Take you guys through my favorite back roads, bro. Especially like little cruise after work. It's the perfect time because they're always usually pretty empty. A little traffic. Bro. You literally can't beat that sound, bro. Can't beat the sound of B58. I don't care what anybody tells me, bro. It's my favorite little road up here. Usually pretty empty. Hopefully I don't jinx it. But you get a lot of echo for the sounds. It's so hard to capture the sound, bro. Like, if anyone is like a audio expert, can help me figure out, you know, a better way to capture the sound of the car while driving, definitely let me know, bro. Definitely let me know. Because I have like basic knowledge about mics, but not like a huge amount. Oh my God. Listen to the sounds, bro. Ton of blind turns over here though. Slow it down here, give y'all another pull. Not gonna lie, I thought that was a cop. I was gonna send it, but I didn't know. Can do one here though. Oh my God. Hear that, bro? Insane. Bro, that has to sound just absurd from outside. Like, imagine you're one of those cribs living there. Crazy. It's just sounding ridiculous right now. Man, but like I said in the beginning of the video, bro, like this year I got a lot of goals and I'm really gonna stay like as true to them as possible and really try to stay consistent as best I can. But I know that for a fact that like just based off the love that you guys have shown so far, we can definitely grow this channel to 10K subs this year. I'm not even gonna say by the end of the year, just this year in general, we can definitely do it. I wanna get 10K on all my socials, to be honest. Like, I feel like it's totally possible. We've been putting out really good content. I've been getting really good feedback from you guys, so I'm really appreciative of that. So we can definitely do that. On top of that, there's just like a couple other things that like I really want to learn how to do. Like, I want to learn manual. I was able to sort of learn last year on my friend's E46 M3, and I feel like that was a great car for me to start practicing on. But I didn't get a ton of time to do it because it was just so hot outside. It was like 100 degrees when we did it, and the car has no AC, so I didn't last that long in the car. But this year especially, I want to like actually learn to the point where I could take the car out and go, because I feel like it's just such an important skill to have. And it's so stupid how they don't teach you manual like here in the United States. Like, I feel like it should be manual. It should be mandatory for you to get your manual license and your automatic license, or like at least have some lessons be a part of like your driving lessons. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of stupid because now there's like a whole category of cars that you just can't drive because you never learned. And it's up to you to like teach yourself. So that's one thing. And another thing is drifting, bro. Like, I really want to learn how to drift. Like, nothing crazy, but like I want to learn actually like the fundamentals of drifting and just like being able to control a rear-wheel drive car. I've never owned a rear-wheel drive car. I've driven rear-wheel drive cars only with an F80. Like, I drove my friend's M3 CS, and then I've also driven another F80 that has rear-wheel drive. So that's really my only experience, but I didn't slide the cars or anything. But I really want to learn how to drift. And besides that, man, it's just really just staying consistent to the content. Like, I have so many ideas in my head that I want to show to you guys and kind of bring forward to the channel. So you guys also can help me. Any ideas that you got, I'm always up for, you know, suggestions and anything like that. I'm always in the comment section looking at what you guys are saying. So I really appreciate all of your guys' support. Like I say, I mean, I say it like every video, but it really amazes me like how easy like it is to just connect with people from all over the world. Like, it's crazy. Actually, in this video, do me a favor. If you made it to the end, bro, let me know where you're watching from. Are you watching from somewhere in the US? Like, drop the state. If you're watching from a different country, let me know, because I'm really curious to see like where everyone is watching from, man. But yeah, with that being said, bro, I'm probably gonna end the video off here. I'm about to just go film a little bit more content for you guys, like a little short form content. So be on the lookout for that. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Hey.